So we have a proportion here, and we know that no matter what, the method that always works when we're solving for a variable in a proportion is the cross multiplication method, meaning whatever the bottom on the right times the top on the left is, it's going to equal whatever the bottom on the left times the top on the right is. So if we do that, we set them equal to each other, we're going to have an equation to solve. 5 times 2 is 10, and 5n times 6 is 30n. So here is my one-step equation. I'll draw my line, my river. I'm going to ask you, if you got 3 for n, which a lot of you did, ask yourself, does it make sense? If you put in 3 for n here, you'll have 30 times 3, and 30 times 3 is 90, not 10. So be really careful when you're solving these equations, right? We look to the side with the n, we understand that that's really multiplication, 30 times n, and so in order to get rid of the multiplication, we divide. We're going to divide both sides by 30. So I divide by 30 over here as well. So these cancel out, and I'm left with n. And again, I'm going to caution you guys, this is 10 divided by 30. This is not 30 divided by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 10 divided by 30 is not. 10 is smaller than 30. So you're going to get a number that's less than one whole. It's going to be a fraction. The easiest thing to do in this case, I think, is just to treat this as a fraction and just reduce it. Simplify. Well, both of these can be divided by 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1, 30 divided by 10 is 3, and that is the answer, 1/3. If you want to change it to a decimal, you'd get 0.3 repeating, but there's really no need to do that. Your answer would be 1/3.